Hey guys, I'm gonna share with you my easy, healthy turkey chili recipe that'll help you get through the cold winter days and nights. So first we're gonna brown our ground turkey over medium to medium high heat. Then we're gonna add our pepper, got garlic powder, slap your mama or Tony Chachere's, 6 chili powder. Then we're gonna add our onion, chopped onion. Something else is coming. So we got our fire roasted tomatoes. And then also some tomato sauce. So we get it all in there. Something's coming next. Oh, our beans. So we got black beans, and then also some light and dark kidney beans. Of course, you can use whatever beans you like the taste of. These are the ones that I like, and I like variety. Gives it a more complex flavor. Then we're gonna add some green chilies. I know a lot of people don't add green chilies to the chili, but again, I like complex flavors, so we add in them. Got a couple more cans there. Then you're gonna stir that in all good. Get those flavors all mixing together. Still keeping the heat on medium to medium high. Then after I'm done stirring that, I'm gonna take a little taste, because both of my grandmothers, the way they cook is you always like taste as you go. So you know that everything has the right flavor that you want before you get to the end. So you can't change it whenever it's all done, so you gotta taste as you go. All right, here's the first taste. I thought it needed a little more flavor because I'm from New Orleans originally, so you know we like it a little spicy down there. So we add more pepper, more garlic powder. Come on now. More slap your mama or Tony Chachere's. And then more 6 chili powder as well. And then again, of course, you're gonna stir that all in. Going for another taste. Perfect. That's it, that's the one. Then on the fly, I decided to add some red pepper flakes. Then I bring it to a boil and then let it simmer for only 30 minutes. And then here it is, all dressed up. Let's take a taste, see how it turned out. And I'm telling you, it turned out perfect, just the way I wanted it. I'm gonna put macros in the comments. Until then, bon appetit.